Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss that how we can connect our 3D printer with the Cura using MKS Wi-Fi module. So if you have MKS board and you are using MKS Wi-Fi module, so you can connect your 3D printer with the Cura software. So if you have older version of Cura, then you have to install the plugin manually by installing it from GitHub and copy paste in the plugin folder of your Ultimaker Cura. But in latest version, Ultimaker Cura have installed the MKS plugin in the marketplace. So you can just go to the marketplace and search MKS here. After searching MKS, you will find MKS Wi-Fi plugin here. You will just have to install it. I have already installed it. So after installation, just restart the software. After restart, go to the settings and click on printer. And in printer, go to the manage printers. Here you will see MKS Wi-Fi plugin. After connecting your 3D printer with the Wi-Fi, open this tab here and click Wi-Fi port and click on add, and here you will copy the IP address that you are seeing on your LCD of 3D printer. So I am writing any random command here. You will have to paste the exact IP address from your 3D printer. So after that, click OK, and after adding this Wi-Fi here, you will have to connect it with your Cura software. You will click connect. After clicking connect, your Cura software will be connected to the 3D printer. And after that, you can manage your 3D printer and you can monitor your 3D printer from here monitor tab, and here you will have the access of your 3D printer and you can manage your 3D printer here. You can print directly from here, or you can just send your file into the SD card or USB on your 3D printer and it will automatically start print. And if you don't want print, so it will just save the file in your SD card. After that, you can print anytime. So if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, and also you can contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.